Awesome, awesome. Remember, time to wish, time to fish. Woo! Woo! Alright, welcome back. Another episode. I just launched at Hillary's. We're I think it's about 41 degrees today, so it's going to be pretty hot. So I got some of the boys on board, a couple of the boys from work, Phil and old Justin there. Say hi, boys. Sean. You. Clearly you know Simon. So yeah, we just launched Hillary's. Gonna go for a fish today. Conditions look pretty good. Swell, probably no more than about 1.2. Wind's gusting at the moment at about 27 k's an hour, and wind is currently static about 15 k's an hour. So it's intended to drop at about 11 a.m. And then from there we'll probably head wide. Let's see if we can get the boys on to some good fish. So last session pretty average, so see how we go today. Conditions are pretty good. Bite time's about 7:30 to about 10 o'clock, and then from there probably we'll go for some whiting. Just get a good feed today really. So stay tuned, we'll see how we go. Woo! Alright, here we are in the ocean, obviously, clearly, 6 k's off. And we found this. Honestly, pick up your shit and keep our oceans clean. Or if it was an accident, just take care. Look at this. Far out.
You pulled toy for you.
I know. I do love this spot. We've caught
You know what you're doing.
quite a few big fish here, haven't we, Simon?
Mate, I have.
Oh, you have. Sorry. Simon has. Alright, Simon's on. Here we go. First fish of the day. What do we got, Simon? What do you reckon?
Might be a skippy, I'm calling.
Skippy! Oh yeah, bit of fish on the sounder. Little jobs. Let's see what he's got. There's Phil. Yoo-hoo! Bringing it up from 27 meters. What do we got?
Baby pinky.
Baby, okay, good sign. Pull that up there. Oh yeah, nice little pinky.
Not bad.
Good, there you go. We'll chuck him back.
How did you know what, how do you guess what it is, mate?
Give it a kiss. How did you know? How do you feel? The question was,
How do I feel?
how do you know what it is when the fish takes heaps of freaking fluff down there?
It's all on feel, mate. Is as soon as the fish is on the hook, you can tell the difference between a pinky and a dewy.
Oh, for sure, I can tell the difference.
Okay. Pinkies obviously there's a lot of head wobbles and things like that. But the pinkies and the skippies are the same.
Yep, very hard to tell the difference between a pinky and a skippy because they fight pretty much the same. Simon, see? It's always Simon, Justin. Always. What's he gonna call though? That's the
I'm calling 8. I'm gonna call. What do you reckon? I'd call a black ass.
Oh, he's calling a black ass. He's calling a blackie. Oh, a big flatty.
Flatty.
Oh yes. Look at that, boys. Oh yeah. So clearly, Phil, you want to watch the spikes on these bad boys. See that one there coming up the spike? That spikes you. It's going to hurt for a long time.
Boat record?
Oh, it could well be. Alright, first fish of the day, good fish of the day. Nice flatty, we're just going to get a good length on him first. I think the boat record actually is 45 centimetres, so it looks like bloody Simon has got another boat record. Doesn't make me happy, but I am pretty happy because it's on the boat. But yeah, we've got, what is it? 51 centimetres, so the boat record is actually on weight, so it's got the length. I'll see if it's got the weight. All right, there we go. Nice 51 centimetre flatty. That's great. That's a good size. How's that feel, Simon?
It feels good.
Feels good.
Let's get something bigger now.
All right, let's go. Yeah, lift it wind. That's it.
Wind
Get it
down.
up. Oh, little bit more drag. All right, feels on. Yeah, you come up, Justin. Lift it wind. Down and up motion. That's it. Oh yeah, that's a good fish, bro. It's a good fish.
What are you calling?
What are you calling, Phil? Oh, what are you calling? Oh, freshwater barra. First fish, Phil's caught on the boat. I did say I was going to guarantee him a fish at this spot, or Simon said that, so hopefully it's in. I do want a baldy.
Got some go.
The net's there. It's got a bit of go. That's what, 30 pound line on that, so he's pulling a bit. Bit of head shakes, nice head shakes there.
I told you, that side of the boat.
There we go. He's coming up from 35 metres. Got a bit of colour.
Mate, they're going to work.
Oh, it's nice and blue. What's it going to be? What is it going to be? Oh, it's nice. Oh, big Jew banger. Yeah, Phil. Get in the net. Oh, yeah, Phil. Yeah, Jewy. Yeah, that's size too, boy. Yes.
Good fish. Yeah.
How good's that? How good's that? First time on the boat, taking them out, come to this spot. I said I'm going to guarantee a fish for them. Oh, sorry, he wants to say something. I retire. Good fish. That is. So I'm going to guarantee him a fish out here. That's a good sized Jew. We'll get him out and I'll give you a look. Just give us a sec. Here we go. So we got him out of the net. Good sized Jewy.
He's got to eat the heart, doesn't he?
Haven't got a size yet. All right. There you go, Phil. Nice little West Australian Jewfish. First time on the boat today. Thought I'd take the boys from work out. One flatty and there's a nice sized Jewy. So yeah, how's that feel, Phil?
Feels pretty good.
Feels pretty good?
Yeah, thank you, fishing wishing.
So yeah, get a size, we'll go back over the lump and we'll try and get some more. Alright, what do we got? Justin's on. Good head shakes.
Blowy.
No northwest blowies here.
Gonna be a blowy.
Well, I think we have caught a northwest blowy out here.
Really big blowy.
Big blowy. Well, that's nice head shakes.
Yeah.
Could be a pinky.
What are you going to call?
What's he calling?
Okay, Baldy.
Baldy! Oh, it's a nice colour. Nice colour. What do we have?
I haven't caught a Metro Baldy, so I wouldn't mind one.
Yeah, what do we have? It's coming up under me. Here he comes. Pull him around your side. Oh, Sambo! Big juvie Sambo. Just on the lip there.
You can... No, not that.
My job's done. I guaranteed each of them a fish. They've caught a fish, so whatever happens next is just bonus. Oh, now he's being greedy, see? Now he's being greedy. Alright, we'll keep at it. Oh man, nice little head shakes that was.
It's a little grass, it's going back down on a big slab.
Oh, what are we? We're about 35 k's offshore at the moment, at Direction Bank, and he's brought in a baby pinky.
Calm down.
Nice. Alright, second pinky for the day. There we go. Nice little pinky. See you, mate. Oh, that's a nice fish.
That's a Western Blue Devil. Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh yeah, this just got a bit heavier. My rod is really light though, so I'm not expecting anything too massive. Oh, bit of few runs there. It's pretty good. Oh, nice. On the new Sustain 5000, picked it up last week. 30-pound braid, 40-pound mono leader. So it's a good sized fish. It's pretty heavy. Oh, a bit of runs there. Hell yes, everyone loves a good run. I love a bowl chin, but I think it's going to be. Oh, what do we have? Pinky.
Another pinky.
Not as good as a Dewey.
Size, good idea.
Oh, just
I'm hitting him in the face. Alright, there's a nice size pink. Clearly not going to be size, as we all know. These need to be. Needs to be 50. It's going to be about 45. Nah, we're sitting at 48 centimeters. So clearly that's too small. So we'll let him go. We'll get another one. Right, here we go. This little pinky, 48 centimeters. We'll let him go away. Look at that, little eel. Hey. Thought I'd come out the front here with Simon. It's basically 36 k's offshore and it's glassed off basically. It's bloody amazing out here. Pretty good when it's like this, isn't it, Simon?
Not too bad, mate.
Hey.
Sorry. Busy eating a Twinkie.
Not too bad. Not too bad. That's what it's all about. It's nice. Got a couple of good fish, but we need to get a bit more in the esky. Keep at it. Far out. These conditions are just. Oof. I think it's going to be the leap soon. And the leap is coming. Because it is. Oof. About 40 degrees as well, so it's pretty hot. Pretty hot.
This is less frustrating.
How was that eel? Simon caught an eel. That is just crazy. It's probably the first time an eel has actually hit the boat as well. Yeah, crazy. Crazy. Hey Simon.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Right, my turn. Oh, it's so nice. How nice is it? Fishing, wishing life, baby. Oh yeah, it's good. All right, go Justin. Fishing, wishing life. Woo! How's it in there, Phil?
Oh, mate. It's quite nice, but keep an eye on the radar. Keep a fucking eye on the radar.
It's only 35 kilometers offshore and having a little dip in the drink. Got to do the leap out here. Got to do the leap. Woo, that was good. That was good. All right, back to the honey hole. Oh, that's a nice black spotted rock cod, boy. Good eating. Oh yeah, big Sambo.
Yeah.
I can take home.
Yeah, come on, hopefully it is. Let's go. All right, Justin's on here. Don't let him reef ya. Oh, he got you too. Justin. All right, so Justin's on a fish here. Took some serious line, but it looks like it's pulled him into a reef. So I'm just gonna maneuver the boat around. Hopefully he comes out. So let's wait and see.
Sticking, but still.
All right.
Bugger!
I couldn't get it.
Couldn't get him out.
That was good. That could be that same
Thing that's got everyone's hook in it.
Oh man, that's crazy, crazy. Smart. There we go. Justin's on as well. What do you reckon that is, Justin?
Oh, I'll have to guess a whiting or two.
Double header, or is it?
I'll go double header, mate.
Double header. He's calling double. All right, nice little. This is another honey hole of whiting.
Skippy.
Oh,
Skippy.
Skippy. There we go. Oh, look at that donkey. Woo! Number 2. Alright, back at the ramp, just cleaned the boat. Not too busy, but far out, it's hot today. Probably would have been only about 35 on the water, but as we got in, literally no wind, and it's like 40 degrees. It's pretty hot. But that's it for this session, but we're heading home now. We'll let you know how we go, because there's potentially 2 boat records by Simon, again. So we're gonna just confirm that, and then we'll end this one. So stay tuned. Ew. Simon is very enthusiastic about his brag board. He's already gone to the board. I told him not to look at the board because we reckon he's got 2 more records today. I want to swear, but I'm not going to because it'll just cause me more work in editing this video. So anyways, he's pretty excited, but we're not going to let him get too excited. But we reckon he's got another 2 records today. I'm pissed. What do you think about that? 2. Participation. He's got the scales. Simon's got the scales. So remember, the FWL catch board, we do have the length, but everything is based off weight. So he might get the length, which potentially I think he already has. But it's all on weight. All right, here's our brag mat. Here's our catch bag. Here we go. Got to find it first. Oh, that's a nice looking dewy.
Let's throw the dewy out.
Oh, let's just get rid of that. Oh, let's do the flatty first. Watch his spikes, because he's a... Look at that. Big flatty. All right, get him on the brag mat. Let's see what he needs to beat.
What do I need to beat, Belle?
0.530 kilos.
But what length? What's the length first?
Oh, 46. Sorry.
46. All right.
We're on 50.
He's on 50 centimeters. All right, so he's beaten the length. All right, now he needs to beat 0.53. Has he got it? Oh, he's got it. 0.65 kilos, 650 grams. Ah, sorry, Paulie. Got another one, dude. All right, we'll update the board. What was that?
50 and 0.6.
50 centimeters. 0.650. Sean has lost the board. Not happy right now. And Simon has just taken the lead for the flathead. All right, find your whiting. Also caught a bloody whiting. And who's leading that at the moment? Me. 29 centimeters at 280 grams. Pretty easy to beat, really.
Oh, I don't know.
So we'll see. Oh, here it is. All right, okay. Oh, yeah.
So what, I don't know.
29 centimeters, bro. Is it gonna do it?
No.
Oh, 28. Okay.
But it's on weight.
Hasn't got the length, but it is on weight.
All about the length, isn't it?
It's all about the girth.
What
Hold
does it
it.
have to be?
You gotta hold it by the string.
Gotta be.
280.
No, not close.
175 grams.
You cut too much of the tail off.
Oh, yeah. You cut too much of the tail off, Phil. Now it doesn't weigh anything.
175 grams to 200.
Yes. Sean still holds the record for the sand whiting.
I just have to say,
It's all right, mate.
Simon's was wishing.
Yeah, he was wishing. He was wishing to beat the record. Wishing. Anyways, good catch bag.
Right.
Few whiting there.
What a greedy prick.
50 centimetre. Sam 50 centimetre flathead. We'll just get the dewy weight. That was a good one. What's that? We are at, what did I said it was 2.5 kilos. That's 3 kilos.
3 kilos.
Oh, mate, that's
There you go.
that's
Not bad.
fish.
It's a wicked fish. Well done. Well done.
Look at that fish.
All right. Well, that's it. That's us for another episode. If you liked it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you next time. Woo!